Hi, in this video I show you how to create your own hotkey mute on Windows 11. This way, you can easily set up hotkey to mute or unmute on computer sound. To do that, you use a tool called Soundvolumeview. You download the file suitable for your Windows operating system. Here I download the Soundvolumeview 64-bit file. Then you extract and open the file called Soundvolumeview, a list of information about the audio components on your Windows computer. Here you select the sound device on your computer to create a shortcut. The name of the audio device on my computer is hotkey. I created a shortcut so that every time I click, the sound will mute or unmute. Did you check if this shortcut works? As you can see, every time you double-click on this shortcut, the sound will switch from my mute to mute or vice versa. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, I want to create a hotkey to mute Windows computer sound. To do that, you open the properties of the shortcut you just created. Then create a hotkey for it. In the shortcut key box, press a key to create a hotkey for this shortcut. Here I create hotkey for this shortcut as Ctrl-Alt-M. You are now done creating a shortcut to mute or unmute the sound of your Windows computer. This way you just need to use the keyboard to turn off or on the sound on the computer.